Hello, 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 hello. Mega love shout out everyone. Happy blessed Friday. Today March 7 na ba? Baka hindi na. Shout out to all of you guys. To all my loyal subscribers, supporters, and to all my followers who always supporting my small YouTube channel. Happy blessed Friday, everyone. Shout out to all of you guys. To all my Sisikoy. Sisikoy jobs in Hawaii. Nahangin yung book ko eh. Sisikoy Lauren Director. Sisikoy Nanahani YTC. Sisikoy Shali Estrada, Sisikoy Timbat Kipat Isnuti, napan mo na Sisikoy. And to all my Sisikoy, Sisikoy Jobs in Hawaii, Sisikoy Good Vibes Maris, Antonio, shout out Antonio. Baguio Blessed Day, shout out Kat Fitri Channel. Shout out Kat Fitri channel all the way from Indonesia. Terima kasih banyak my sister. And to all of you guys, shout out everyone. Thank you for supporting my small YouTube channel. And to those who always watching my small, simple YouTube simple videos. TY Best, shout out TY Best, shout out. And Coach Samuing TV, shout out. Sisikoy Agbiag Blagat Konsi. Mills TV, shout out. Sana maayos ko yung maunok mamaya. Ito, Jower mo sa kita. Jelay Channel, shout out Jelay Channel. And Lady Tulipa Tulips, Sisi Pretty, Lady Tulipa Tulips, shout out. Wilma Blood, Sakuniko, shout out. Zabar Boy, shout out Zabar Boy. To all my friends in India, shout out in Indonesia, Malaysia, shout out. And of course, all over the world. Happy blessed Friday, everyone. Now a little bit hot now here. Before it was too cold, but now, oh my God, medyo mainit-init na guys. Medyo little bit hot. So, what I say? Hindi ako naka-live kasi hindi maayos yung mauno castle ko. Parang hindi maganda mag-live pagka walang kantahan na, maski Iloilocano song na paulit-ulit. Nakakaantok kasi mag-live na walang music, guys. So, nabati ko na ba kayo lahat? Shout out to all Team OFW, all the way from Saudi Arabia. Kabsat Arturo Blanco YTC, shout out Kabsat. Ano pa? Sisikoy Timpat Kibat Isnuti, Sisikoy Lauren Director, Sisikoy Jobs in Hawaii, Sisikoy Nanahani YTC, Love Trouble Music ading ko, tanpakit sabing ko. Maraming salamat sa pag-play mo sa ating mga playlist. Ay naku, matagal pa na. Tatahakin ng atin nyo bago ko makuha ang 3K kasi na-complete na yung 1K. Ay naku, ang dami talagang, ay ano ba yan? Ganun talaga ang buhay. By the way, big thanks to all of you guys. Maski hindi ako nakakapasyal sa mga live nyo. Si Super Lauren Director, si Super Jobs na Hawaii, si Super Nana and YTC. Music, Love Travel Music, and Kalpa Kids. Sisi Koy Timbat kay Guelma Vlog. Maski hindi ako nakakapunta sa mga live mo ay nandun pa rin kayo nakasupport sa akin. Maraming salamat. At sa mga sisi Koy na hindi ko nabanggit, maraming salamat din sa pag-support nyo. Sana mag-supportan tayo at sana i-play nyo naman ang aking playlist kasi para kompleto ko ang ating WH. Maraming salamat. Thank you and bye-bye.